Hey there, Nathan Schmidt here, co-founder of the world-renowned Robinhood trading app, and early investor of Uber. Now, chances are you've probably heard or even used our trading app in the past. After all, we have been featured on CNN, CNBC, and the Wall Street Journal because of the tremendous success of our app. Today it is with great pleasure that I present to you our newest app, Wealth Crew. At the moment, it is an invite-only app, so if you're watching this very short, life-changing video, consider yourself lucky. Now, pay close attention to what I'm about to say, since our system will be up for a short period of time only, and we will not be accepting new members afterwards. Let me show you some quick figures to illustrate the success that our new members are having. As you see, each and every one of our members are bringing in an extra $2,000 to $4,000 of income per week from the comfort of their homes. And no, these are not the accounts of top Wall Street traders that you see in Forbes, but rather they belong to regular folks just like you, who may or may not have even placed a single trade in their entire life. And no, they don't have any insider info on the financial markets to gain that edge. You might be thinking that getting paid thousands of dollars a week sounds too good to be true, right? Normally, I would have to agree with you. I'm a very cautious person myself. Each week, I receive hundreds of emails from new Silicon Valley startups asking for my hard-earned cash to fund their new ventures, promising that I will have an incredible return on my investment, which is not always the case. However, Wealth Crew is no gimmick, and it's not a work in progress. Our system has been proven, tested time and time again, and our results simply speak for themselves. With over 13,542 new members already signed up within the first week and bringing in $2,000 to $4,000 weekly, I can safely say that our platform is in fact working, and working pretty well indeed. Not only are our members bringing in big money, but they're also traveling, buying their dream car, their dream computer, you name it. They are living life the way it's supposed to be lived. What is Wealth Crew, you may ask? Well, it is our latest foreign exchange trading software that we just released. For a limited time, we are offering our software completely free of charge for the first 90 days. In case you're not familiar on how Wealth Crew works, please sit back and pay close attention as I explain to you clearly about the technology behind it. Wealth Crew is a simple, one-click financial market trading software that does all of the hard work for you. However, this is not a robot or a non-human operated software. Rather, it's a platform that copies trades from the top traders around the world. Yes, you heard right. It's copying trades from the best human traders across the globe. You might even know some of these traders from which we are copying from. Do the names Bill Lipschitz, George Soros, and Andrew Krieger ring a bell? Every single day, tens of thousands of honest, ordinary people are supplementing their hard-earned salaries by going online and putting their money to work for them. So if you feel like you're one of those many folks at home that have always missed out on these golden opportunities, here is your chance to make up for all of that lost time. And remember, what I'm about to show you is not only 100% guaranteed to make you wealthy, but it is also 100% free of charge. No commitment and no money down. The only thing I ask for is just a few minutes of your time as I share with you the very simple secrets of financial security, success, and independence. As the saying goes, if you're born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. So listen very carefully. Now, before I explain to you how the system works, let me tell you how we got started in the development of it. A few years ago, while on a business trip to Hong Kong, I was at Currency Traders Convention, where I met up with a lot of fellow traders who were using our previous app, Robinhood. These are the type of folks that have been in this business for more than 10 years, are experts in the financial markets, and are the kinds of people who don't publicly advertise their wealth on the internet like those other so-called financial gurus.
It may be cold and wintry outside, but things are really heating up in here.
With great company, great music, and a little bit of champagne, the Four Seasons is definitely the place to be.
These are the type of people that are aware of what's going on in the global economy. They act and take advantage of the current financial situations. They go in and they go out. They get the job done using the brains and experience and not some online junk robot. Many of them explained to me that they had started coaching fellow new traders to spread their wealth and knowledge, but it was too time-consuming, costly, and also that it was very hard for new traders to integrate and profit from the financial markets while having little to no funds. That's when I decided that we had to come up with a solution to share our money-making tactics to a large number of average folks wishing to make an income from home. And that is when we developed the Wealth Crew, Wealth Generating System. See, being a trading company ourselves, we are able to connect with the top 1% of the most skilled traders worldwide. We have access to databases and servers only reserved for big data analytics companies and high investment firms such as us. On any given day, our system processes around 1,162 trades on average. While those trades are being submitted, our system analyzes the common trends and pushes those trades onto you. And all you have to do is simply press a button, let our system place the trades on your behalf, and let the money roll into your account. Think of it as having your personal commission-free broker that's sole purpose is to place winning trades on your behalf and make you cold, hard cash. Now, let's be real here. We can't guarantee that all trades being placed will be winners. That's not how the market works. And if there is anyone that promises you that, then I would highly suggest you run away as fast as you can. However, after 2.5 years of trial and error, we have got our system fully optimized, and we are proud to say that we have a whopping winning rate of 91.2% on all trades. In the very slight chance that a losing trade occurs, our system is designed to recover those losses in as early as 10 hours' time. If it ever happens that the market is down, then we have stop-loss rules in place that will prevent our system from trading your money, so you may sleep at ease. Simply put, we're bulletproof. Now, if you're the type of person that overthinks and overanalyzes every single situation, well, I wouldn't be surprised that you're still not successful. Reason being that you haven't taken any action yet. Imagine what it would feel like if you turned down this opportunity today, and a few months from now you see your friends enjoying the life they deserve and driving the car that you wanted to drive, simply because they took action and entered in their email and signed up for Wealth Crew. On the other hand, if you do sign up for our free system, which I urge you to do so now, chances are you will start living the life that you always dreamt of, because you took an action and got rewarded. It's that simple. Now, before going any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that Wealth Crew is not a robot, nor an auto-trading piece of junk like those other online crappy softwares that are programmed to make you lose. We are simply the middleman between trusted traders listed on the Forbes 1000 and you, the average Joe who's looking to make some money and to participate in our global economy. As we speak, all those other online scam trading robots are going bust. It's about time they shut those losers down and let experienced financial professionals like us show how real business is done. If you are familiar with these other so-called trading bots, they usually all offer the same empty promises about being able to predict the markets, that they can make you a millionaire overnight. But the sad reality is that despite all of the claims, they never seem to live up to the hype. Now, I'm going to reveal a fundamental truth to you. The truth is, the algorithms that run these trading bots are in fact incredibly powerful pieces of software, and companies have invested fortunes into developing them. But their failure is not due to the technology being bad. They fail just because they're incomplete. You see, in most cases, they all have some sort of inherent design flaw, which keeps them from accurately analyzing and predicting valuable positions in the markets. Let's face it, a robot will never be capable of predicting an oil crisis, war, tsunami, you name it. They just cannot act on such events instantly. On the other hand, humans can. I have proven without a shadow of a doubt that Wealth Crew is not just fundamentally different from all of these other programs, but that its reliability and success are in fact 100% guaranteed. Simply put, our system does not rely on machinery, but rather relies on skilled, talented, and multi-million-dollar traders. When they win, you win. When they lose, which is exceedingly rare, you lose as well. There are no predictions of any kind. We only copy and push trades originating from the wealthiest men in our society. We have the human element, and this right here is the secret to our success. At the moment, our entire team is based in Palo Alto, California, home of online companies like Facebook, Google, and Wealth Crew. Each day, our staff strives to bring new updates to our wealth generating app. We continuously improve our servers and databases in order to execute trades as soon as we get the trend data from the most skilled traders. As I said, we tried to build this app as simple as possible. You're only a click away from reaping huge profits. Have a look here. Okay, great. See how easy that was? As you see, the average expected monthly profits range from $7,500 to $15,000. These amounts will improve as we push further updates. Now, Wealth Crew is not only being used by individuals such as yourself, but also being used in big financial institutions such as Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Barclays Capital, and many other firms. They simply cannot avoid taking the risk and handing out multi-million-dollar investments to that new hired intern trader. It's no wonder why the Wall Street Journal is calling us the biggest financial innovation of 2016. The best part of all is that to start using Wealth Crew, no trading experience is required. And the entire process is so simple that when you get home after a long day at work, you can just sit back and relax as the money rolls in at the push of a button. With Wealth Crew, you don't need to have a degree in finance or economics in order to invest and to earn some extra cash. The experts are already doing it for you. Now that you've seen just how straightforward and effective the procedure is, I have decided to take the liberty of going even one step further. I want to stress that our team is always updating the Wealth Crew software. As a result, the operating costs are high. For us, this is a full-time job. Even though we are also benefiting from using the Wealth Crew software ourselves, no one comes to a job expecting not to get paid for their hard work. Due to the expenses of running a full-time professional staff and office in Silicon Valley, the actual retail price for Wealth Crew is $499 per monthly subscription. But for the first 500 invite-only applicants, we have decided to offer you Wealth Crew for the first 90 days on a trial period basis. Absolutely free of charge, no strings attached. Once these positions are filled, we will not be offering the supreme 90-day trial period ever again. If you're asking yourself, Nathan, why don't you take a cut from my profits instead of eventually charging me a monthly subscription? Well, first of all, the profits you make using our system belong to you and to you only. It would not be fair if we took a cut from your account. But most importantly, by keeping our monthly subscription cheap, we are able to attract more folks like yourself seeking an online stream of revenue, and we are able to scale up our operation rather fast. So what can this free 90-day trial bring you? Well, according to our statistics, our members are earning up to $50,000 during this free trial period, with profits transferred directly to their personal bank accounts. As soon as you register for your free trial account, you'll have complete access to the Wealth Crew software. As well as the Wealth Crew team will be working hard to ensure constantly that you're earning as much money as possible. I am so certain of its success that I guarantee you right now that by the end of your trial period, you'll be begging to pay to renew the service and continue making enormous profits. If you still have doubts, which quite frankly you shouldn't have any by now, think of all our other 13,452 members that are taking advantage of our system and profiting from our global economy. Surely they must be doing something right. If you like to work a regular 9-to-5 job and that's your thing, I respect that, and I can't tell you otherwise. But if you are willing to make a change, please go ahead and enter your email to gain access to the software and download your own 90-day trial absolutely free, no strings attached. Please hurry, as there are only 500 spots available and they are getting filled up fast. The sure way to miss success is to miss the opportunity. You have just been handed the opportunity, so act upon it.